Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing this folding shovel, which you will see here unfolded through the magic of editing right about now. It's not as bright green as it seems on camera. It's more of a dark OD green. I've had this for quite a while, as you can see. I'm starting to wear the paint off there on the backside. This shovel came from Walmart. Someone gave it to me about 5 years ago as a Christmas gift. I don't know which shovel it is, but there's about 5 different shovels that look just like this that fold up the same way on the Walmart website. I think it's an Ozark Trail, however, they only sell one that comes in black. It could also be a Colligan's or a Coleman. And then there's some other company that I forgot the name of that I can't pronounce that makes a shovel that's this color on the Walmart website. And they range in price from about $10 to $25. So, not totally sure which one it is. I'm going to go with the Ozark Trail name. I think that's what it is. The dimensions for the shovel are just a little bit under 23 inches long. Have about 8 inches this way and 6 inches across this way. We have serrades here to help break the ground easier. Small little area there for putting your foot on. And then we have this thing that folds entirely up. Now, it took me a little while to figure out how to do this when I first got it, and I just figured it out totally here recently. What you have to do is you have to loosen this pretty much all the way. Then you have to pull on the handle part so it stretches like that. And then you fold it up like that. And then you can tighten this back down to keep it folded like that. Or you can just open it up there like that and have your shovel that's fully deployed. You can also have it this way, so you can use it as more of like a hoe instead of a shovel. And this thing is held up. I mean, you can see it's seen some quite interesting circumstances. I'm not quite sure how I did that, but it has been well loved. Now, on Walmart's website, one of these, actually one or two of them, come with like a nylon fabric sheath to put it in. This one did not come with that, but if you go on Amazon, you can get these military style entrenching tool things with the MOLLE clips on the back and all of that, just to store it in. It all folds up and stores in here really nicely. I haven't done a video on this yet, but if you'd like me to, give this video a like. Let's head on outside and test it out. Alright, so I've been out here digging for probably 15 minutes, and now we have a hole that's fairly good size. There's a shovel down there. I'd say that hole is probably about 4 feet deep, 3 feet. Yeah, let's go 3 feet deep. The dirt's a lot harder down there because we got just bad dirt, not good dirt. But yeah, this is the size hole. Let's wrap it up here, and I'll give you my final thoughts. Alright, so I definitely have a greater respect for this shovel. Now that I've actually dug a huge hole with it. I've used it before, but just for little stuff. This shovel, it's good. It's not bad at all. It's better than digging with your fingers. Much better. It is a little bit small. I found once I dug deeper, it was a little bit harder to kind of get the dirt out of there because your hole's deep as your shovel and you don't really have room to tip it back to scoop it and get it out. I think for something like this, yeah, I would pay $10 for this. It's better than digging with your hands. A $10 shovel will get you a lot farther than nothing at all. I'd say backpacking bug out wise is probably a little bit heavy, but it is definitely better than nothing. I've said that a lot. For the price, it's totally worth it. I'd recommend it. This one is a little bit older, so a newer one might perform better. I would say though, when you're shopping for these at like Walmart or whatever, try and stay with like $15 or less, because there's like a whole slew of these things, as I've mentioned in the beginning of this video. There's like 5 different companies just on the Walmart website alone that sell one of these that they all about look the same. They're all about the same size, just varying within a couple inches of each other. So I would say get the $10 to $15 one. You can pick up one of those sheaths for it like I showed you earlier on Amazon for about $10, and you have a great entrenching tool. I also used it with it collapsed into the other mode a little bit there while I was digging, and that works well if you're just trying to loosen the stuff, and then you can flip it back to this to use it to scoop the stuff out with. So this is a good shovel for the price. I'd totally recommend it. That is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.